Here's a quick instruction for Warrior Two alignment. Step your right foot forward and your left foot back. Of course, you might be coming into this from a downward facing dog. And just do it from standing. Take a wide enough stance so that your right knee is over your right ankle. Tendency here is for the pelvis to tilt. So see if you can lengthen your left sitting bone down and lift your right belly up. Lift the toes to feel the arches in the feet engage and relax them back down. Feel that arch of the foot draw up the inseam of the leg so that the frontal hip points will draw in towards each other and the sitting bones widen. From there, sink a little deeper. Press the front of the left thigh back into the hamstring and make sure you're staying grounded in the outer